Hi and welcome back to another episode of George's Garage. So we're going to start taking part of the BMW finally. I think I'll start, obviously these are toast, so I've got an old brush in there holding it up, but I'm going to start by removing like the big outer panels to see what we've got underneath in the way of suspension mounting points and everything, because I'm going to need to copy them across to a new frame. I've shown before, but building it out of this steel. So, lovely flat tire there. But I think that's the point, just start, and every electrical connector I take off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to label it. So when I take the entire wiring loom out, I know what goes where to make life easier, instead of blindly playing with all the plugs. So let's get started. Not sure that's quite normal. This one's not much better. Really wishing I had an adapter right now to go between my gun and my Torx bit, but it's getting there. I don't really have a plan at the moment. I'm just unbolting the items that I'm definitely not needing any of. I'm not needing the lights, not needing the bumpers. All that will be going, so like side skirts off. I'm just taking away anything I don't need. Just get it out the way. Starting a bit of a collection back there. And then I'm gonna have to, I can't do this side. I parked it in too close, obviously, so I'm gonna have to drag the car over. But for now, we'll just start taking this side off. Get the doors off, bumpers off, boot off. Not sure if I can actually get the bumper off on the front corner there. We'll see. It might be quite tight, but I might go buy myself a adapter. Snap the last one like you normally do. Put it on the gun. Think, nah, I probably shouldn't do this, but you do it anyway and you break it. So, learn. So as you can see, these ones are definitely worse for wear, but I'll probably just give them a quick polish up, make them look clear again and sell them. So every little bit of money back helps. Go. Got the bumper off, but you see it's already broken, so it's just worthless. I wasn't worried about breaking it, but it's off, getting there. What I'm gonna do in regards to keeping track of all the wiring and everything is, you see here, just a little piece of masking tape, right? I don't know if it'll focus here, but can't get it to focus, but it says fog light, horn, and I'm just gonna mark every wire. Obviously it's not all going back in, but at least I know where each connector goes. So when I pull out the entire wiring loom, I can sort of roughly place it where things should go and then figure it out from there, but it'll be easier. That's we got most of the front off there. I'm just taking off like the main crash bars and main structures. You see, just kind of stripping it down a bit. The screen washer's leaking, so throw it in a bucket and pour it in the car. Yeah, obviously I've still got to move the car across to get this wing off. But I think next I might take it apart the front a bit more, but I think I might leave that and move on to, you know, take apart the doors, get them off, moving my way around the side here. See, just keep working my way around maybe. That's the first piece of harness removed. As you see there, I painted the bonnet on my BMW with the logo. Now, the plan is somewhere in here, I'm gonna hang it either via wires from the ceiling or I don't think I can do it because there's the garage door's like a solid fixed one, but I don't know about the weight. If I can, I'll attach it there. If not, I think I'll have to put it on one of the walls somewhere. And then just sort of like as an arty thing in there. But I think that'll be where I'll end the episode for today. Just so I can get a video up for everyone to watch. So if you enjoyed it, press like, thanks.